So good afternoon to one and all. So in the last class, I have given this problem to all of you to solve this one. Anyone have solved the problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You just cross verify your answer. Other people's roll number 56. Roll number 56 is there. Yes, Raj.
Yes, sir.
How many times you are writing in the chat box? 56, 56. Hmm. Once you mention means it will be there. Nothing to worry about that. Okay. So next, don't mention your roll number in the chat box already. I will take the attendance in the later. Remember, a coil of 200 turns is wound uniformly over a wooden ring. So 200 turns means number of turns is it is nothing but number of turns. So n is given here now. He has given n equal to 200. N equal to 200. We have considered from the problem here now. Having a mean circumference of 600 mm. It is not length, directly has not given in the length, he has given circumference. So 600 mm he has given here now. You have to calculate from the circumference to length, you have to convert this one here. Means circumference is nothing but length only, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then L equal to 600 mm. And uniform cross sectional area is 500 millimeter square here now. So here m means it is millimeter. The length should be in meter. This milli we have to convert into in the numerical form. 600 into 10 to the power of minus 3 we have to write here. Here in the cross sectional area they have written in mm square, millimeter square. So milli square is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3 into 2 is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6 we have to consider here now. So A equal to 500 into 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square. L equal to 600 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter. If the current through the coil is 4 ampere, I equal to 4 ampere. Calculate the magnetic field strength. First one, second one is flux density, and third one is the total flux we have to calculate here. So first we have to write the given data. N equal to 200, I equal to 4, L equal to 600 mm is there, 600 into 10 to the power of minus 3, and these two zeros will remove that one, so it will become minus 3 means either 600 into 10 to the power of minus 3 minus 2 minus 1, it is 0 here now. So 0.6 meter also we can write down this one, and 500 into 10 to the power of minus 6 is there. Here they have removed minus 2 here, and total is 10 to the power of minus 4. 5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square he has considered here. The first question is the magnetic field strength we have to consider, calculate here. We know the formula of equal to HL equal to Ni. We know the formula HL equal to Ni, MMF equal to HL equal to Ni, or MMF Ni equal to HL. We know the formula. So HL equal to Ni, you keep RHS as it is. Here HL, L I will send into RHS side, it will become denominator here. Ni divided by L here. Now N is 200, 200 you substitute. I is 4, 200 into 4 divided by L equal to 0.6 here now. So 1333.3 ampere meter. It is correct. All
Yes,
of you
sir.
got this answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
no problem. Next, from the flux density or permeability formula, we know that one B equal to mu H. Yes, B equal to mu H. We know the formula here now. So relative permeability he has not given here now. A coil of 200 turns wound uniformly and cross sectional area he has given. So there is no reliability. He has not given. We'll assume that one as 1. Mu r equal to 1. We can assume that one. And he has not given means B equal to mu naught H we have to consider. Mu r equal to 1. We have to assume that one. So mu naught, we know the constant value 4, 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. H previously we have calculated here. Substitute here and we calculate that one. So you got the answer. All of you got this answer? 1 point or this one? 1.6755 into 10 to the power of minus 3. You got this answer or not? See, constant, so many people, you will forget this one. So permeability of free space, it should be 45 into 10 to the power of minus 7, because B equal to mu H is there, mu equal to mu naught mu R is there. Mu naught is the constant value. Already we know that one. We have to use for any material. We have to use 45 into 10 to the power of minus 7. We have to use this one. Yes. So H, yeah, mu R, they are going to give that one. If they have given, you have to use that one. If not given, mu R equal to 1, you can assume simply here. B equal to mu naught H. So 45 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 1333.3. Multiplication of that one, 1.6755 into 10 to the power of minus 3 you may got. और कैलकुलेटर में ऐसे भी आ सकते 1 2 3 0.001 आया क्या 0.0016?
No, sir.
No,
कितना
sir.
है? कितना है? How much you got?
1.675511893 into 10 raised to minus 3.
1.6
1.65.
6755.
into 10 to the power minus 3 है ना?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, फिर this is the answer. So you got same answer only, no problem. Some people he is not using 10 to the power of minus 3, वो नहीं आए तो 0.001675 also correct answer. So it is, we are going to consider here Tesla, they have written here directly. Next one, what we have to calculate? Just a minute, no rule number 48. Next we have to total flux, we have to calculate. We know the formula of B equal to phi by A. B equal to phi by A मालूम है, flux density formula phi by A.
Yes, sir.
So from that one phi by A, we have to write, we can write phi equal to B into A, we can write that one. So we have calculated B here just now, 1.6755 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Area he has given already, cross sectional area he has given. So you substitute here, you will get the answer here now. You got the same answer? 8.376 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Same answer means don't need to worry. If the answer is different, then only you have to tell me. I will give the clarification.
8.3775.
हाँ, into
Into 10 raised to minus 7.
10 raised to minus 7.
ठीक है. Oh, okay. What is the unit of that one? Weber we have written here. 8.376 or 77 10 to the power of minus 7 Weber we have written here. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Is
sir.
this clear? Okay, similar problem, one more we will take that one. Today we'll discuss 4 or 5 problems only. Next question you take down. At least you write the problem, then only it will help to solve easily with your papers. Calculate the magnetomotive force, or calculate MMF you write down. Calculate MMF required to produce a flux of 0.015 Weber, 0.015 Weber across an air gap 2.5 mm long, 2.5 mm long, having an effective area of 200 centimeter square. 200 centimeter square. So calculate the MMF. MMF कैसे calculation करने का? What is the formula for MMF?
Current into resistance.
Current into
Flux into
resistance.
reluctance.
Flux into reluctance. Flux is given. Yes. Reluctance is given. No. Then other formula. Any other formula for MMF? MMF is nothing but NI, yes. NI equal to HL formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
HL calculated, then also correct. You can calculate that one. Flux is given. If a flux into reluctance also you can calculate. S equal to L divided by mu naught mu R A also you can calculate. First you have to calculate S, then you substitute multiplication of phi also you can get that one. Otherwise you can calculate flux is given. You calculate B equal to phi by A. है ना, B equal to phi by A, flux density formula.
Yes.
Yes,
Flux
sir.
is given, area is given. Next H equal to B equal to mu H है ना, B equal to mu H, H equal to B by mu. You can calculate H, and L is already given. HL also we can do that one. So different methods are there, different formulas are there. Which one will be easy for you people? You have to use that one. So almost we are going to use similar problem. Phi is given here, L is given. This is nothing but 2.5 mm is nothing but 2.5, m is nothing but 10 to the power of -3 meter. I will write down here. Area is 200 centimeter square. Centimeter means is nothing but 10 to the power of
10 raised to -2.
-2.
-2. Okay, centimeter, it is square we are going to use here now. So B equal to phi by A is their formula. B equal to phi by A.
Yes, sir.
Phi is given here. A is given the formula here. A is given here. So phi by A you can write down here 0.75. So 0.015 into 2 into, sorry, divided by 2 into 10 to the power of -2. You can write down.
Yes, sir.
Next, if you calculated B here now, so H equal to B equal to mu H formula, everyone know that one. B equal to mu H is there. So B equal to mu H, then H equal to B by mu you can write down.
Yes, sir.
B equal to mu, B divided by mu. Mu equal to mu naught mu R. What is the material here? Which material we are using here?
Air gap.
Air
Air
gap.
gap.
For the free space or air, mu naught mu R equal to 1. है ना?
1.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then mu R equal to 1 means mu naught, you know the value of the constant value, 4, 5 into 10 to the power of -7. So you can calculate H here now. H you calculate, and MMF equal to NI equal to HL. So H is we have calculated. L is already given in the previous in the question. So substitute it and tell the answer. Cross verify it now. Cross verify. So you can compare that one. Why comparison? Same I can.
Yes, sir.
So these are the simple problems on only based on the magnetic circuit formulas you can calculate. When you will consider the series circuit or one ring type of material, we'll take one more problem. Next problem I'll take that one. See here. First you note down the question and diagram. This diagram and question you note down. Then I will explain this one. After that one, again I will similar problem I'll give to you peoples. Only question, by understanding the question, you can draw this diagram. Only one ring is there here. This is the area, this is the length, this is the n phi. Here only has given here. So magnetic circuit, simple magnetic circuit we are going to call this one. Note down the question. A simple magnetic circuit shown. A simple magnetic circuit shown has a cross-sectional area of cross-sectional area of 50 centimeter square. 50 centimeter square. 50 centimeter square. And the mean length of 2 meters. Mean length of 2 meters. Mean length of 2 meters. Full point. The relative permeability of core is, the relative permeability of the core is 100. The coil has 250 turns. The coil has 250 turns and flux produced is 100 microvapor. 100 microvapor. See, centimeter, centi means 10 to the power of minus 2. Yes, milli means 10 to the power of minus 3. Micro means 10 to the power of minus 6. So these three very familiarly it will comes here now. Centi means 10 to the power of minus 2. Milli means 10 to the power of minus 3. Micro means 10 to the power of minus 6. Similarly, in the, what is that one? A plus sign, you can consider kilo. Kilo is nothing but 10 to the power of 3, and mega means 10 to the power of 6. After this 6 digit, you have to remember that one. Microfarad also, capacitor means it will comes in the microfarad. Next, when the pico, nano will come, that one. No need to concentrate. If anywhere in the chemistry it is there, means you can remember that one. For my subject, I am telling up to micro to mega, you remember that one. So find the reluctance of the magnetic circuit. Find reluctance of the magnetic circuit and current flowing through the coil. Current flowing through the coil. First, what we have to calculate? Reluctance. Read the question carefully. What is the given data? The magnetic circuit shown has a cross-sectional area is given 50 centimeter square, and mean
Yes,
length
sir.
he has given. The length of the magnetic coil is L equal to 2 meters. He has given. The relative permeability mu r is given in the circuit here. Mu r is given. The coil has 250 turns. N is given, and this is the flux produced is nothing but phi is given here now.
Phi.
L is given, A is given, N is given, phi is given, and as well as mu r is also given here now. So this is the diagram. First we have to, question will be reluctance is there. So you have to use reluctance S equal to L divided by mu A. L divided by mu A. So you can calculate that one. Mu equal to first mu naught mu r. Mu r is already given. Mu naught equal to 4 5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 into mu r is 100 he has given. So 4 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5, because this 100 is nothing but 10 to the power of plus 2, and minus 7 it is nothing but minus 5 will be left here now. So mu is nothing but 4 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. You substitute here now. What is the area he has given?
50 centimeter
50
square.
centimeter.
Centimeter square. Actually, in the previous problem also you have done a mistake then. Having an effective
10
area
raised
of
to minus
200 centimeter square means 200 into 10 to the power of minus 4 we have to use. The centimeter square is there actually. Here
Yes,
we
sir.
have used only 10 to the power of minus 2 only we have used. This is centimeters to 10 to the power of minus 2. Its square कितना हो जाएगा? 10 to the power of
Oh,
minus
Minus
4.
4.
So this is wrong here. You substitute 10 to the power of minus 2 here. Minus 4 is there everywhere. So another 0.2 will be increases here somewhere. So it is minus means somewhere it will going to increase or decrease. Value will become same only 10 to the power will change over there. You do that one. So for this problem, where we went, this problem, so area is 50 square centimeter means 50 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square you have to use here no. So L is 2 meter he has given, directly he has given. L you substitute here. Mu is we have calculated mu naught into mu r we have calculated here no. 4 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5, you substitute here. And what is that one? Area is 50 into 10 to the power of minus 4, you substitute here and calculate this one. You got this answer, 3.18 into 10 to the power of 6 ampere per Weber. Is it correct? Is it correct? Calculation कर रहे क्या अभी?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, do it. Take your own time and solve it. Solve it and cross verify. See, simple questions will come, 1 marks questions. They may ask MCQ questions and all these things. For that reason only different problems we are discussing here. Previous problem में mu r नहीं दिया था, अभी mu r ऐड किए इसमें. Yes, they have not given any mu r. Here we have added mu r now. Yes, you got this answer. Same answer you got it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you were calculating the current, na? Next, what is the second question? You have to
Current.
calculate current flowing through the coil here now. Simple is there. Yes, you have U1. What do you mean by MMF? MMF equal to phi into S, na? Flux into
Yes,
reluctance.
sir. Flux into
Yes,
reluctance.
sir.
Flux is given here, flux produced. Reluctance, you calculate MMF equal to flux into reluctance, you do that one. MMF equal to what? NI. Formula you know?
Yes, sir.
MMF का प्लेस में NI substitute करो. NI equal to flux into reluctance. Phi S लिखो. Phi is given. S is given. N is also given here. No. I equal to phi S by N. You'll get the answer. तुम कौन सा मेथड यूज कर रहे हैं? फ्लक्स डेंसिटी यूज करके वो HL यूज कर रहे हैं क्या? Simple use here phi S you have calculated now. You multiply this one into phi here. Phi value is already given here now. Phi S is nothing but MMF. MMF is nothing but NI. So N is already given. I equal to this into flux divided by N. You can calculate any other method also. Here also they have used your method only. HL equal to MMF. MMF is nothing but NI. So I equal to HL divided by N he has given, H he has calculated, then N, yeah, L he has given and calculated. 1.27 ampere. 1.27 ampere has given the answer. H you calculate H 159 आया क्या H? See very carefully you have to observe here while calculating the H. To see here this one mu is nothing but what here? Mu naught mu r. Mu naught is 4 pi into 10 to the power of 7. Mu r is he has given as 100. The question he has given as 100 here now. This one you have to write here. Mu is का place में ये लिखने का 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 5. बार बार कैलकुलेशन करने की जरूरत नहीं. One time only you have to calculate mu equal to mu naught mu r मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके रखने के एक साइड में. 1.27 आया क्या नहीं बोलो?
Yes, sir.
Got the answer? Any other answers other than this?
Yes, sir. 1.273.
1.273. 1.273 ampere है आंसर.
Yes, sir.
1.273. What is the n equal to 250? See, दोनों मेथड का किए क्या? Both methods. Who has done that one? See here. How many of you used the same method you have calculated? H calculation करके बाद में I calculation की. How many of you got that one? Same answer you got? This is correct. Anyone have calculated 5s? 5s
Yes,
divided
sir.
by n. 5s
Yes,
divided by n. What is the answer? Your answer is same only.
Same, sir.
Okay, then no problem. So here 3.18 into 10 to the power of 6 is there. Okay, this is yes into 5. 5 is nothing but 100 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Microwave है ना वो. 10 to the power of plus 6 and minus 6 you will get cancelled. 3.18 into 100 is nothing but 318 divided by n is nothing but 250. 318 divided by 250 is nothing but 1.27 only. Any method you use that one, you will get the same answer for simple magnetic circuit. If some part is iron, some part is steel, some part is aluminum and air gap is there, then it will changes. You have to calculate the length will be changes for each material. So is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Next problem. Only take the problem. Take the problem and solve it. The area of in a magnetic circuit is 1.mm long. Air gap in a magnetic circuit is 1.5 mm long and 2500 mm square millimeter square in cross sectional area. 2500 millimeter square in cross sectional area. Full point. Calculate. First one, reluctance of the air gap. Second one, the MMF required to set up a flux of 800 microweber. अभी previous problem solve किए ना, same type of problem है अभी ये. This one, same type of problem is there. You calculate this one. उसको इसको कुछ भी difference नहीं. There is no difference at all. Only उधर current calculation, second question में current calculation करना था, इधर total MMF calculation करना है.
Sir, air gap only लेने का ना mu r.
So you will not take the mu r, because here what is the question here now? The air gap in a magnetic circuit. For the air gap only we have to calculate this one. Reluctance of the air gap, mmf of the air gap only we have to calculate. Understood? For the air gap mu r equal to, obviously, 1 only, na?
One.
Ah,
Yes, sir.
then no need to consider mu r here. Mu r will be 1 only. Over. What is the first one? Reluctance of the air gap. What is the S? Anyone have calculated?
2.51 into 10 to the power of 2 area
How
per
much?
Weber.
How much? How much?
2.51 into 10 to the power of 2 area per Weber.
2.5. Any other answers? 2.5 is wrong.
Oh. 0.477 into 10 raised to 5.
0.477 into 10 to the power of 5 or 6 or 4. चेक करो, ध्यान से चेक करो एक बार.
6, sir. 6.
6 or 5 or 4. सब्स्टिट्यूट कैलकुलेटर में सब एंटर करो, आ जाते हैं आंसर करेक्ट. 477 is correct, but what is that one? 10 to the power of minus 5 or plus 5 or plus 4 or minus 4 plus 6 or minus 6. That one you calculate it.
Ten raised to plus 5, sir.
What is the, tell the complete answer now.
4.77 into 10 raised to 5.
Okay, correct.
Plus 5.
10 to the power of plus 5, correct. तो स्टार्टिंग में क्या बोला था तुमने? 0.477 into 10 to the power of 5 बोले थे, उसके लिए कंफ्यूज हो गए.
Yes, sir. हाँ, sir.
4.77 into 10 to the power of plus 5 is correct answer. Ampere turn by Weber. Ampere turn Weber. Next, H कितना है? H
Calculate कर रहा हूँ, sir.
ठीक है, करो करो. Other peoples, you should have to involve. You can ask your seniors. How many people they have failed in this subject? See, I am frankly as a friend बोल रहा हूँ मैंने. You can think me as a friend now. This subject ऐसा है, अभी continuously study कर रहे हैं तो ये समझ में आ जाते हैं. Suppose एक क्लास मिस होके नेक्स्ट क्लास को आए तो समझ में नहीं आने वाला है. और one more thing, one time फेल हो गए तो बाद में पास होने के लिए बहुत मुश्किल काम है इसका. You should have to touch with it, this one. Otherwise, it will easily will forget that one. So better way, you have to try to calculate the answer. I will appreciate you people if you are trying to calculate that one. If I will not worry about, don't worry about the answer. It answer may be correct or wrong. Anyhow, I am going to show you in the last. Why you are worrying about the answer? Whatever it may be correct or wrong, first you hold a pen and paper and try to solve it. That's it. Next, any other answers? How many of you got 4.77 into 10 to the power 5? All of you, again, once again unmute and tell yes sir. Bolke. How many of you got that one? 4.77 into 10 to the power of plus 5. किसी को भी नहीं आया क्या? Then I have to show you then. दिखाना पड़ता है आंसर पेश. ठीक है.
Yes, sir, got.
सर भेटले.
भेटले क्या?
Yes, sir.
आंसर दिखाने के बाद बोल रहे क्या? ठीक है. See, first you have to write the given data. The area of in a magnetic circuit is 1.5 mm. M means milli here now. 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Length is 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This one you remember here now. Next, 2500 mm square in cross-sectional area. Area is nothing but A equal to 2500 millimeter square is there, means mm square means m 10 to the power of minus 3 into 2, that one. So it is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6. You have to use that one. Square is there means milli को square है तो उसको 10 to the power of minus 6 here now. So calculate the reluctance. Yes, S equal to L divided by mu naught mu r A here now. It is a material itself. It is a area. For the area, the relative permeability will be 1. So mu naught, you know that one, 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. You calculate mu equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7. Mu r you assume as 1 equal to 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 7 only. Total mu is now. So you substitute here. L is given here 1.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. I'll substitute here. Mu is given here 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. 4.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here area is 2500 mm square. 2500 m milli square means it is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 6. Put in the calculator. First you have to open bracket. Calculator में direct सब entry किए तो answer नहीं आते. That is also one एक चीज है वो भी. कैलकुलेटर मिल गए तो 1.5 इंटू दबाते 10 टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस 3 दबाते डिवाइड बाय सिंबल दबाते 4.5 इंटू 10 टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस 7 इंटू 2500 इंटू 10 टू द पावर ऑफ माइनस 6. ऐसा कंटिन्यूसली एंट्री किया तो यू विल नॉट गेट द आंसर. What you have to do for the numerator, you take the open bracket here now and you enter this value. You close this open bracket and divided by symbol you take down. Next you take open bracket here, you enter all this thing and you close it here now. Next equal to you have to press, you will get the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
2.5 किसको आया था? वो यही गलती करते, कैलकुलेटर में एंट्री करना है ना. That is a big mistake you all people are doing here now. So obviously you have to write open bracket, close bracket. You should have to use that one while entering the calculator. इधर कितना open bracket use कर देना उतना ही end में close bracket रहने का. Then only you'll get the answer. Okay. Yes is given here now. So anyone can you multiply for this? Yes into 5 को multiply करो. 5 is given ना? 800 microweber.
Yes, sir.
Into multiplication you do that one, you will get the second answer directly. आएगा नहीं है तो you can take this one. If you do not got the answer, then you calculate H.
थांब किती पेज पोते
Okay. 382.5.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
method
sir.
you are getting, I know that when I am showing this answer, you were getting that one. What I am, my question is, this 4.77 into 10 to the power of plus 5 into whatever this 800 into 10 to the power of minus 6. ये दबाओ मेरे आंसर दोनों सेम आएंगे. Both answers you got same answers.
Yes, sir.
381.6.
381.6 है क्या? Then ये digits है ना, while considering that one 4.778 consider करो आ जाते इधर आगे. Next आगे का digit है ना 4.778. हमने 2 digits ही consider कर रहे हैं ना. At least 4
Yes, sir.
digits you have to consider. Then you will get the answer of 382. Now you try 4.778 into 10 to the power of 5. You'll get 382.4 or 3 something to answer. For that reason only we are telling that one 1.0.01 is also very important while doing the calculation. Important. We'll tell that one. Okay, again.
382.4.
Okay. Again, 382.4 means okay, no problem. Okay. So one more last problem we will take that one, that is on series AC magnetic circuit, that you take the question. I will explain that one later. We'll see that. Take the question. A ring has a diameter of diameter दिए याद रखो इधर, not circumference, not length here. He has given the diameter. You have to convert that one into area. A ring has a diameter of 21 centimeter, and a cross sectional area of 10 centimeter square. Who is that? Kedar Patel. So write that one. The ring, cross sectional area of 10 centimeter square. Next one. The ring is made up of ये पूरा रिंग का डायमीटर दिए और क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया दिया है इधर. ओके. The ring is made up of semicircular sections of cast iron cast iron, CAST IRON, cast iron, and cast steel, cast steel, cast iron and cast steel, with each joint, with each joint, with each joint having a reluctance, with each joint having a reluctance, having a reluctance equal to, having a reluctance equal to an area, having a reluctance equal to an area of, area of, area of 0.2 mm, 0.2 mm, 0.2 mm, 4 point. Find the ampere turns required. Find the ampere turns required to produce a flux of, ampere turns required to produce a flux of 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4, 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4, 10 to the power of minus 4 Weber, minus 4 Weber, full point. The relative permeabilities of, relative permeabilities of steel and iron are, relative permeability of steel and iron are 800, steel and iron are 800 and 166 respectively, 166 respectively, full point. ये नीचे का मत ले लो, neglected fringing and leakage, don't take that one. Read the question carefully. You read the question carefully, you have to read the question. Here, how many types materials he has given?
Two.
Two material.
And steel.
I will give the option 1, 2, 3, 4. चार ऑप्शन दिया है, इसमें एक चूज करो. हाउ मेनी मटेरियल्स ही हैज गिवन? टू मटेरियल्स. How you are telling two? How you are telling two? See here, the ring has a diameter of 21 centimeter and cross sectional area of 10 square meter है. इसमें क्या बोल रहे हो? The ring is made up of semicircular sections of iron and steel here. No, iron and steel का semicircular section बने. How? Having a reluctance to an area of 0.2 mm. 0.2 mm. Circle means this is complete the circle. You can consider that one. इसमें आधा part किया है. This is one iron part. This is another steel part. In between he has given the 0.2 mm gap here now. 0.2 mm gap. So air is also material, only one type of material you are using. This air gap is nothing but, so I will draw the, sorry, just a minute, I will clear this all pictures and I will show you. इसमें correct आ जाता है क्या नहीं? See, this is one material I will consider. Here I will give 2.2 mm gap. I will take just a minute, I will take eraser here. Complete, it is going to erase. ठीक है, और एक बार ट्राई करेंगे उसमें क्या है। So this is one material and another material will start here now. So one I will consider as iron, another one I will consider as steel here now. Yes, this may be iron and it may be steel here now. In between ये दोनों का बीच में 0.2 mm gap, 0.2 mm gap he has given here now. But the flux, how it will flow? It will flow in the air gap also. The flux will be same in the complete circular angle only. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So it will flow only. See here, 1, 2 and 3 materials are there. Air gap is 2 air gaps are there here now. So air gap is also one material only. We are using in the air gap, the flux will flow here. So this phi is same for all the material. It may be iron or it may be steel or it may be air gap here. And all are having the same cross-sectional area. There is no change in the area also. Because whatever the area is there here, same area they are maintaining here also. There is no change in the area also. The area of area is also same only. Area of area is also same. But the length of this one is different. Length of steel is different and length of iron is different and length of air gap is different here now. Yes. And one more thing, length of iron and steel will be same only. Why? Why it will become same? Equally they are dividing here na, in a circle. Here 2.5, here 0.2 mm, here 0.2 mm. Equally we are separating that one. Whatever the length is there, same length it will comes here. Yes. I will show the diagram also. Still you have the doubt, I think. So first I will discuss here now. Given data you have to write down. So here he has given the phi here. The flux produced 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Weber here now. 8 into, and area 10 centimeter square is there. 10 into centimeter square is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 4. So 10 into 10, 10 to the power of plus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square we have written here. We know that one B equal to phi by A. Phi is given, A is given. Yes. B equal to phi is given, A is given. 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 10 to the power of minus 3. It will get the answer of 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 divided by 10 to the power of minus 3. You calculate that one here now. 80 or 0.8. 0.8 correct answer. It will become, when the denominator term will come to the numerator, it will become plus 10 to the power of minus 4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Plus 3 it will become. Minus 4 into plus 3 means 10 to the power of minus 1.
10
Minus 1
minus
means
1.
0.8 Weber per meter square. We can write down here. Yes, 0.8 Weber per meter square we can write down here. Next, I will show the diagram. See here now. I'll show the diagram. According to that, you will understand that now. See here, this is the diagram. Here the iron part we are using. Here the steel part. Actually, complete circle he has given. A diameter of the circle, whatever the flux to flux, we are using 21 centimeter he has given. And in the circular, some semicircular cross sections he has made. This is the semicircular and this is one semicircular here. No? At the middle of the joining of the iron and steel, here 0.2 mm gap he has given. Here also 0.2 mm gap he has given here. No? He has given here. No? What is the question? What you have to identify? Find the ampere turns required. Is nothing but MMF you have to calculate here. No, is nothing but MMF you have to calculate. See here, I will give the hint. I will check that one. How many of you solve this one? It is there in the BL Tereja textbook also. See here, this is one material है. ये एक material है. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So this material MMF we have to calculate separately, and this material air gap, sorry, MMF we have to calculate separately, and air gap we have to calculate separately MMF. Next, total MMF equal to MMF of air gap, MMF of cast iron, MMF of the cast steel here. Now it will give the total So this you consider this one as only one material. अभी पिछले प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किए ना, इसका लेंथ देखो, ये डायमीटर का कन्वर्ट इनटू L, इसका लेंथ देखो, और इसका area is given here. No, already he has given the area. You calculate mmf of this one here. No need to worry about that one. You calculate mmf. You just calculate the S calculation करो, reluctance calculation करो. S equal to L divided by mu naught mu R. A mu R is given for this one here. Cast steel. This is the steel. Steel के लिए 800 है, iron के लिए 166 है. Mu R he has given here now. So you calculate the S. After that one phi is given here now. Phi S you calculate it. You'll get the mmf of this one. Here you calculate S of this one and multiplication of phi. You'll get the mmf of this one. You calculate reluctance of this one and multiply into phi. So easy method is that here. This is length is he has given 0.2 mm. Total length 0.2 and 0.2 here. Total area you have to calculate here now. Otherwise ये को calculation करो into 2 करो बाद में. So area अब 2 है ना? 2 area are there. So total area आप consider करने के time 0.2 plus 0.2. You have to calculate addition, or you can later you can multiply into 2 that one. That is left to you people. Will you do that this one?
Yes, sir.
हर एक एक इंडिविजुअल मटेरियल का एमएमएफ कैलकुलेशन करो, बाद में सबका समेशन कर दो. You will get the answer of that one here. Okay, we'll stop here only.